Yes, I'd just like to add that all the points within the Charter are things that over many years now as an organisation, we have ensured we've adhered to and embedded those points within all of the policy procedure that we've written up in the 9 years that we've been here. We've worked very closely with our third sector organisations, but also with our staff side representatives. So with everything that we do in regard to projects, role descriptions for volunteers, we ensure that we engage well with them, and then again that protects paid staff members within their roles. They can understand that we're ensuring we fulfil the role of a volunteering service, which is not to replace staff members but to protect volunteers. We're also protecting staff members within their roles as well. And we work heavily with staff members as well, because it's very important to have staff members that you're developing projects with to have a full understanding of what volunteering means, and that they're not there to replace roles, but they're there to enhance the experience of our patients, service users or carers, and to ensure that they're not being put at risk from doing things that they shouldn't do. So by continuing to follow a charter like this, and as you say, universally across Wales, it will embed all of our governance, our volunteering principles within everything we do as an organisation. So it's great to see something like this that has been developed for a Welsh perspective. Yes, it definitely confirms everything we do. It's important that we do follow the principles within this document and continue to follow them. I think it will enable us to ensure, from a health board perspective, that governance is key within everything we do, and it's safe for volunteers to come into our organisation and for them to ensure that they've had a really worthwhile and a beneficial experience whilst they're with us. Because it's just as important for them to have a good experience as our patients have a good experience, and to build on the younger generation who are finding volunteering enables them to develop specific skills, to move on in their career path. By ensuring these things are in place, it's giving them those skills to develop further, and maybe we're welcoming back our future workforce within the health board because of the experiences these young volunteers have had. So for us, no, it's very important, and it is truly embedded within our priorities of the health board.